Welcome. Welcome, my dear friends. Myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande, would like to welcome you all in my Ayurveda Academy YouTube channel. In this particular serial, we are discussing about Ayurvedic medicinal plants. Professor Deshpande is discussing first to begin with 30 most important Ayurvedic medicinal plant for the medical practice as well for the patients. These plants are very useful, and each plant you can get as a herbal medicinal tablet in a Ghanavati form, and that single herbal tablets are very safe to use. These are like the home remedies. That's why I have taken up this particular serial to understand very important plants, to understand the synonyms, properties, functions, indications, and the different products of those particular plants. Today's plant is Jatamansi, presented by, of course, myself, Professor Dr. Rajendra Deshpande. I am MD in Ayurvedic Medicine and MD in Ayurvedic Physiology. My WhatsApp number is 922681060. So let us move further. This is a beautiful picture of the plant, Ayurvedic medicinal plant Jatamansi. We will talk about synonyms. Paryayi Nav. What is synonyms? These different names of the same plant is very useful to understand sometimes the structure of the plant, sometimes the properties of the plant, and sometimes the actions, functions, indications of that particular plant. So let us see what are the synonyms of Jatamansi. Jata. Roots are like the bunch of many strings or the fibers, Jata. So they are called as a Jata. So the roots are looking like a bunch of many strings or fibers. Mansi, having many properties and functions related with mind or the brain. Mana, mind in Ayurveda. Mana mansi. Mana mansi. Jatamansi. Suffix is mansi. Mansi related with the mind. Mind means brain. Here. This is very good. Jatamansi for this particular mental faculties as well as intellectual properties. Let us see the details. Jatamansi, the Latin name is Nordostachys jatamansi, because some companies they write only the Latin names, not the Sanskrit names. So you must know also the Latin names. This is a herb and the roots are very useful. The useful part is roots of that Jatamansi. Rasa vipaka virya. Rasa means taste. It is having tikta, kashaya and madhura. Tikta is a bitter, Kashaya is astringent, and Madhura means sweet. Sanskrit words, original Ayurveda. Vipaka, post-digestive effect, that is Madhura, and Virya is Shita. Prabhava, very important action is Bhutagna. Here, Bhuta doesn't mean the ghost. Bhuta is not ghost here. Bhutagna, anti-Bhuta. Bhuta is having the relation with psychological problems. Problems related with the mind, like anxiety, like depression, schizophrenia. Okay, all the mental problems are mentioned in Ayurveda as a bhuta. Bhuta. Bhuta is not ghost. So the Jatamansi plant is basically acting on different psychological problems. Guna, properties, Laghu, Snigdha, and Sheet, cooling. So your stress will be reduced. Your heat from the brain will be reduced. Okay, so let us move further. So I am taking my cursor to move our screen further. Okay, so I'm just hold. Please wait, patience, keep the patience. And here we are. So we will go further. Okay, Jatamansi effect. Jatamansi pacifies the pitta because of its kashayaras, astringent, tiktaras, and madhuras, and shitavirya. So it is anti-pitta. Jatamansi controls the kapha by its kashaya and tiktaras. Kashaya means astringent, tikta is a bitter. Jatamansi also pacifies the vata due to the madhura vipaka. So Jatamansi controls and regulates all the three doshas. Okay. Next, again, this is a beautiful picture of the flowers of Jatamansi. Jatamansi and Rasarak, how it is acting on the plasma, liquid part of your body and the blood. Jatamansi has a shamak, pacifying effect on the Hrudayastha prana. Hrudayastha. Here the Hruday Ayurveda, the Hruday word is used for the two. One is anatomical, heart, situated in the chest region, and another Hrudaya word is used for the brain. So Ayurveda used this Hrudaya word for two organs. One is anatomical chest situated heart, and another is a brain. Don't forget this. So Jatamasi is useful to control both brain as well as my heart in the chest. Jatamasi cures the irregular heartbeat. For example, lup, dup, 72 to 80 per minute. But sometimes it is lup, lup, thak, thak, duk, thak, duk, thak, duk, duk, arrhythmia. So Jatamasi will take care of irregular heartbeats or arrhythmia. What you have to do? 10 gram of Jatamasi in 50 ml of warm water for 4 hours. You have to keep that, and that particular warm solution is called as a font in Ayurveda, that is hot infusion. And if this font of Jatamasi is taken regularly, it can cure the Rudra Drava, that is palpitation or arrhythmia in modern medicine. Okay, so Jatamasi is acting on Majja Dhatu. Due to the Tiktaras and Lahu, it is a Shamak on Majja Gata Dosha. It is related with the brain and nerve tissue. Madhur Vipak and Snigdha, it is Bruhana for Majja Dhatu. So it giving the nourishment for the brain and the nervous tissue. Jatamasi increases the understanding capacity and Sattva Guna of the mind. Okay, so this is best to improve your Sattva Guna. Tolerance, patience, satisfaction, these qualities can be improved by the use of Jatamasi. Jatamasi ghee, especially ghee is always useful in the problems of mind or the buddhi or the intellect. Okay, next, Jatamasi is Medhyam. Jatamasi shows its specific action on Rakta Dhatu, blood, and Majja Dhatu. Jatamasi is indicated for maintaining the neurological functions. It improves the cognitory functions. It also improves the cerebral circulation. So it is best for the brain and the mind as such. Next, Jatamasi is Manasa Dosha Hara. In psychological disturbances, it is one of the antipsychotic drug in Ayurveda. In Ayurveda pathology, psychological diseases are created most of the times because of the imbalance in Raja and Tamoguna, Rajo and Tamoguna. In mind, we have the three qualities, Sattva, Raja, and Tama. Sattva is always balancing. Raja is essential. Raja is activity, and Tama is controlling power. But sometimes Rajoguna is exaggerated. So too much activity. Okay, that also disturbs our mind. Too much thinking, too much physical and mental activities. And Tamo is too much ignorance, illiteracy, and lethargy. So excess Raja and excess Tama are the causes of psychological problems. So Jatamasi will take care of those problems. Jatamasi is Manasa Dosha Hara. Unmad and Apasmad. These are the two problems related with the brain and mind. Unmad is like hysteria. This is having the psychological problem. And Apasmara is a typical, what you can say, the anatomical or the physiological disturbances in the brain. Electrical current is disturbed, which can be compared with the epilepsy. So hysteria and epilepsy, these are the two major problems related with the brain that can be taken care by the use of Jatamasi. Jatamasi increases the sattva property of the mind and shows its action in these particular conditions like hysteria and epilepsy. Okay, so we will go further. Jatamasi is a Manasa Doshahara. Specifically, when you want to use any product, any plant for the mind, for the brain, you must use the ghee. The formation should be in the ghee. Medicated ghee is always best for the brain and the mind. A ghee processed with Jatamasi, that is called as a Jatamasi Siddhaghrit, is recommended in psychological disturbances for the nasya, nasal drops, as well as for the oral intake. So here you can see the typical tonic and clonic phases of the epilepsy. Jatamasi is very useful in Ardhava Bhedak, especially the migraine. Migraine is a problem of today, fast era. Jatamasi, by pacifying the nervous tissue, brain, Majja Dhatu, shows its action in the best action on the controlling the migraine attacks. Jatamasi ghee is used as a nasya and also for oral intake. Jatamasi is used in Tivra Jwara Akshepaka. Tivra Jwara Akshepaka. Tivra Jwara means high fever and Akshepaka is like a convulsions. So Jatamansi is best for febrile convulsions. In high grade fever, where the neurological symptoms like febrile convulsions appear, Jatamansi is always preferred. Madhura Vipaka of Jatamansi helps to control the pitta and reduces the fever associated also with the neurological problems. Jatamansi is Kesha as a hair tonic. Jatamansi by nourishing the Rakta Dhatu, blood, and Majja Dhatu also nourishes the hair roots and softening of the hair takes place. It is used in the form of oil for this purpose. So Kashayarasa and Shitavirya, hair roots become the strong and having a fragrance and the aroma because of the use of Jatamansi oil. Jatamansi is also used in Prasuti Unmad, in postnatal psychosis. Jatamansi with Dashamula 10 roots is used in the decoction form in the postnatal. After delivery, some ladies, they get some hysterical type of the problems, stressful problems because of the after delivery. So this can be controlled Prasuti Unmad because of this Jatamansi. Next, Jatamansi Kalpa or the products, Jatamansi Kwath decoction, 3 teaspoons with equal amount of water. BD can be used 2 times in a day for psychological disturbances. Jatamansi Ghanavati, these tablets are available, which can be used for anxiety, neurosis, stress at night, or in the 2 times in a day, or even hypertension. HT is hypertension. So Jatamansi can be used in the cases of this. Can you see here? Hypertension. Okay. Rakshogna Grita, it sometimes can be prepared by the different Vaidyas for the Nasya purpose and for oral taken in psychosis and neurological diseases. Kesha Taila oil is available for hair. Mansi Grita medicated ghee is also available. So these are the products. Jatamansi Ghanavati. Just I will tell you, Jatamansi capsule form is also available. Okay. Next, we will go further. Jatamansi powder is also available. Then Mansyadi Kwath or decoction is available. Mansyadi Kwath, if you don't want ready-made, you want to prepare at your home, then coarse powder for that particular decoction is also available in the market. Kesh Taila, which contains the Jatamansi, is also available in the market. Mansi syrup for the children, because most of the time these epileptic problems are in the children. So here you want some sweet medicine. So syrup is always sweet in taste. So Mansi, Jatamansi syrup is available. So this is all about today's very important plant, which is related with the brain and the hair. So all the videos are educational purpose. So whatever the doses, whatever the products I recommend, आप सावधानी से इसका इस्तेमाल कीजिए, क्योंकि कौन सी भी बीमारी में यथावश्यक यथाकाल वैद्य की सलाह लेना तो आवश्यक ही है. आप तो ये सब जानते हैं. And if anybody of you suffering from psychological problems like epilepsy, hysteria, insomnia, anxiety, depression, please visit to the nearby Vaidya, Ayurvedic doctors and Ayurvedic hospitals. If you don't find anybody, Professor Deshpande is always there to help you with his all the expert doctors team and the professors. So you can definitely WhatsApp me 9226810630. You write your name, address and complaint, and we can do your paid online consultation. So I hope you have liked this video. So kind request as usual, please thumbs up, give the positive energy feedback, share this particular video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel for giving me the boosting for preparing such type of the nice videos. I wish you all the best and take care. Bye bye. So here we are going to conclude this particular session, and okay, I will try to quit with this. Okay, so sarvepi sukhinas santu, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha apnuyat. Bye bye. Bye bye and take care. Sarvepi sukhinas santu, sarve santu niramayah, sarve bhadrani pashyantu, ma kaschid dukkha apnuyat. I wish you happy, healthy and long life.